Welcome back to another fast meal prep hack. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a Buddha Mexi-Bowl. This is a great high carb meal that's going to help you put on some lean muscle mass, all right? So with that said, let's go ahead and start. When it comes to the ingredients, the first thing I have is some nutritional yeast, great source of your B12 vitamins. We have some great source of omega-3, 6, and 9. This is your avocados. Garlic, which is just great for every dish. We have some white onions, some bell peppers, extra firm tofu where you're going to get a lot of your protein, and then we also have some black beans. Now, when it comes to the black beans, the one that I will be using today will be from Philo's. Now, this is a Insta mix beans, I guess you could say. You just pop them in the microwave for at least 1 minute, and they're ready to go. Because remember, this is always a fast meal prep hack. But if you're someone that's like, oh, a little sketchy when it comes to those microwaves, then we do have some black beans in the can. So you can get this like organic and make sure it says BPA free, all right? Because the thing with the BPA is that BPA is linked to cancer, okay? It's a chemical that's made from oil, and they put this lining into the can. So make sure it does says BPA free. But worst case scenario, if you want to get really organic and all that stuff, you can always get like just your bag of beans, okay? Now, the only thing with the bag of beans is that it does take a couple hours, maybe even a day, because you do have to let them soak up, and then once they soak, then you can prep them, okay? So it does take a while, but remember, this is fast meal prep hack. We will be using the Philo's, and this is the Cuban black beans. So one of the benefits is 10 times faster. This is non-GMO, and as well, tons of protein, and it's already flavored. Okay, so that's some of the benefits of that. Now, with that said, let's go ahead and start stir frying our vegetables. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the white onions. We're going to take our bell peppers, and then we're going to grab some olive oil. Okay, we're going to spray the pan. This is a non-stick pan, and I'm going to separate them, all right, in the pan. So I'm not going to mix everything together. I'm just going to kind of have it separated while I cook it. So I'm going to keep it on this side and try to stir fry the onions or saute them, okay, right here. And then the same thing with the bell peppers, I'm going to keep them on this side. I want to keep it separated because when it comes to the presentation of the dish, I want it all separated, not all together, all mashed up, okay? The garlic, I want to place this onto this side, all right? Just like that. So everything is sauteing, I'm going to keep everything separated. Now, while that is sauteing, I'm going to take my tofu and start with the marination. I'm going to grab some Liquid Aminos, alright, and grab a Ziploc bag. I'm going to place it all in here. Grab our Liquid Aminos. We probably want to put about like 1 tablespoon, maybe 2. Not a lot, really. Get all the air out as much as possible and close it, alright? And you're just going to mix it up a little bit like this, and then let the soy sauce marinate into the tofu. Just let it sit on the side for about good like 2-3 minutes, but we're going to put more focus right here on our sauteed vegetables. We're just going to make sure this fully cooks. Alright guys, so the vegetables is done, so I'm just going to go ahead, take this off, right, and go ahead and start building my plate. So I want to put the bell peppers here, right here on the side, just like that. Same thing with my vegetables, with the onions. Place that here, and then we're also going to do the garlic. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and take our marinated tofu and go ahead and start cooking this. And then with our Philo's black beans, we're going to just open up the sides, real simple. Put this in the microwave for about 1 minute. Also, we have some brown rice. So all I did was add this into the rice cooker, and we prepped this to save some time. And when it comes to the brown, when you're cooking rice, if you have a rice cooker, to save a lot of time, just go ahead and put it in. You don't even have to pay attention to it. You just pour the water, you put your rice in, you press cook, and it's going to cook by itself, and you're done. All right, it'll tell you when it's ready to go. All right, y'all, so we're going to go ahead and grab our beans. So we only got 3 more seconds, 2, 1, and it's ready to go. So go ahead and grab this out. Now, for today, we're just going to use a cup of black beans. All right, so just like that. Okay. And our rice cooker is done as well. So we're going to grab 1 cup of brown rice. Put that right there. Add our avocado. And our tofu's ready. We're going to place that in the middle. Alright, y'all, so this is how you make a Buddha Mexi bowl or plate for today. And let's go ahead and try out this meal. So if you can see how great this looks, it looks super amazing. So let's get a little bit of avocado, rice, and black beans. Let's try that. Super good. And some of the best things when you mix it, you can try different flavors. All right, like different combinations in each scoop, or just mix it all up. Totally up to you. But very good, very high in protein, high in carbs, very moderate in fats. Great dish when it comes to putting on some lean muscle mass. A lot of people say you can't put muscle on being vegan. That's totally a lie. This is what I eat to be able to get lean and mean and green, all right? So with that said, my name is Corinne Sutton. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, also tag your friends down below in the comment section. As well, if you want to know about the macronutrients, the directions, and the ingredients for this dish, that will be in the description box. But with that said, again, my name is Corinne Sutton. Enjoyed the video. Talk to you soon. Peace.